Okay, I'm working on a 1988 Jeep Cherokee Pioneer doing the front brakes, and I had a few issues getting these anti-rattle clips put back in, and I could not find a video on YouTube or any good images online to illustrate how to get this back in. So here we go. My contribution here to auto repair world. Okay, so here's the anti-rattle clip. So if you look at my finger here, these 2 points are sort of like hooks. Okay, and so here, each one, there's two on top, here on the bottom, and again, this is an '88 Jeep Cherokee Pioneer. So this end here, solid end, goes right on the inside. Okay, right there on the inside, and then these hooks. See how it comes around and goes in right there. Get a good shot. See how it hooks underneath there. And if you try to put it the other way, you're not going to be able to get this thing